Hey there, fellow thrill seekers and ghost enthusiasts. Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 haunted places in Alabama, perfect for your next ghost hunting adventure. That's right, we're diving headfirst into the dark side of the Yellowhammer State, where history and hauntings collide. Get ready to explore the eerie and the unknown as we uncover the spine-tingling tales and paranormal hotspots that make Alabama a ghost hunter's paradise. Our first stop takes us to Birmingham's Sloss Furnaces, a National Historic Landmark with a dark history. Once an iron-producing powerhouse, it's now known for tragic accidents and restless spirits. Many workers met untimely ends here, and their souls, some say, never left. Visitors report disembodied voices, cold spots, and shadowy figures. Tools move on their own, phantom machinery clangs, and apparitions of bygone steelworkers appear. The legend of Slag, a cruel foreman who fell into molten slag, adds to the eerie atmosphere. Whether you believe in Slag's spirit or not, the unsettling energy at Sloss Furnaces is undeniable. Next, we travel to Demopolis, Alabama, to Gaineswood, a stately plantation home with a tragic past. Built in the 1840s, it was home to General Nathan Bryan Whitfield and saw the untimely deaths of several family members. Visitors report cold spots, echoing footsteps, and doors opening on their own. Some say the spirits of Whitfield children still play in the mansion, and a woman in white, believed to be the general's wife, mourns her lost loved ones. EVP recordings capture disembodied voices and music from a bygone era. Gaineswood stands as a haunting reminder of the past, where history and the unseen whisper together. Is it the wind or the sighs of restless spirits? The mystery remains. In Tuscaloosa, the Drish House, built in 1833, tells a tale of love and loss. Dr. John R. Drish built it for his wife, Sarah, but she passed away just 3 years later. Overcome with grief, Dr. Drish left the house, and it changed hands over the years. Sarah's spirit is said to linger, with reports of disembodied voices, phantom footsteps, and the scent of her perfume. Objects move on their own, lights flicker, and a woman in white, believed to be Sarah, is seen gliding through the halls. The Drish House is a poignant reminder of love and loss, where the veil between worlds seems thin. It's a place where spirits of the past may still walk among us. The sorrow lingers. On the Gulf Coast, Fort Morgan stands guard over Mobile Bay, a site of wars and hauntings. Completed in 1834, it served as a key military installation and is now known for its paranormal activity. Visitors report disembodied voices, echoing footsteps, and shadowy figures. One famous tale is of Old Red, a Confederate soldier with a distinctive red beard. Known for his kindness, Old Red's spirit is said to roam the grounds, watching over the fort. Fort Morgan is a stark reminder of the human cost of war and the spirits that linger. History comes alive in its weathered bricks and cannons. The whispers of the past emanate from its core. The spirits remain. In Birmingham, the Redmont Hotel blends jazz with the whispers of the unseen. Built in 1925, it was once the social epicenter of Birmingham, now known for its hauntings. Guests report flickering lights, moving elevators, and disembodied voices. A young woman in a white dress is said to roam the halls, her cries echoing through the night. Room 302 is a hotbed of paranormal activity, with reports of cold spots, strange noises, and apparitions. Some believe it's haunted by a former guest. Others think it's a portal to another dimension. The Redmont Hotel intertwines history and hauntings, where every stay might include a ghostly encounter. The allure remains. Thanks for joining us on this spine-chilling tour of Alabama's most haunted places. From Sloss Furnaces to the Redmont Hotel, we've uncovered tales that make Alabama a ghost hunter's paradise. Remember, these are just a few of the many haunted locations across the state. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more ghostly adventures. Happy ghost hunting!